So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our odd USD. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now back to our analysis on odd USD right now. Take a look at this, our trend. You can see it right. Our overall trend on AUD USD is in an uptrend move. That is it. Our overall trend is in an uptrend move. This is the main movement market did give us, which is the high. Market was able to give us a pullback, which is the higher low, right? Market then on our daily time frame was able to give us a gain, which is the higher high, and this is the higher low that market eventually gave us. Market was able to push up again to give us a new higher high. Then it eventually pulled back again to form an higher low. So with this pullback, which is an higher low that market has formed, we should expect market to continue that movement to the upside. So it is able to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, a new higher high is what we should be expecting on our AUD USD. We should expect AUD USD to give us that bullish move. So it is able to push up and completely take out this side. That is what we should be expecting. Now let's drop down to our AUD USD. If you take a look at this right here, there is a multiple rejection at this zone right here. So market once drop right, then it eventually pull back to test the same level. Take a look at this, market eventually drop, market eventually push up right, it's drop again right. Now market is now pushing up, so we should expect market to push up one more time. If you take a look at it, market broke above this resistance right, which was once the resistance level. Now this is a pullback. We should expect market to push up one more time. Now remember guys, could there be changes to this prediction? Absolutely yes. Remember, your bias should always be flexible. If in case market does not give us that bullish move and instead starts dropping and continue to drop, I will make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So if you did not want to miss out on the updates, subscribe to the channel, like and share, and also follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.